Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing the rational expression x squared plus 6x plus 9 divided by x plus 3 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of simplifying this expression. So, let's dive in and start solving this problem. First, we start by simplifying the numerator x squared plus 6x plus 9. Notice that this is a quadratic expression that can be factored. The given expression represents a perfect square trinomial. To factor x squared plus 6x plus 9, look for two binomials that multiply to form this trinomial. In this case, x squared plus 6x plus 9 can be rewritten as x plus 3 squared. So, the original rational expression x squared plus 6x plus 9 over x plus 3 can now be written as x plus 3 squared over x plus 3. This completes the factoring step as well as the rewriting of the entire expression. Next, we simplify the expression by canceling common factors in the numerator and the denominator. We have the numerator x plus 3 squared and the denominator x plus 3. Since x plus 3 appears in both the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel 1x plus 3 from both. So, we are left with x plus 3 in the numerator, and the denominator simplifies to 1. The rational expression is therefore simplified to x plus 3. This is the final step, providing the expression in its simplest form.